So Dan's been helping me structure the song, and we have an intro. There's an intro chorus now.
Okay.
Which goes a bit like so. And then it goes on to the reverse verse chords,
Yep.
which are B minor. And B major.
That's nice.
And then it goes to the pre-chorus. And then the intro chords are the chorus chords.
Okay, cool.
And then it goes to the second verse.
Is the second verse a repetition then, is it, of the first verse?
Yeah, but with different chords.
Oh, it's got different chords, is that?
Yeah, so it's got a D minor.
Yeah.
And then D major. And that's kind of all I've managed to.
Okay, so we've got a nice structure forming there for the song. What sort of things? What identify some skills that you need to sort of practice and refine?
Switching between the chords, that's always been one.
Okay. How will you practice that then? How will you get better?
I mean, it's repetition.
Good.
Especially the B minor, because it's meant to be barred, but I have difficulty barring chords.
Yeah. It's difficult borrowing a chord on that kind of guitar. It might be easier on an electric guitar.
Yeah, but
That's
yeah,
sounding
as
good.
you can see,
Yeah.
I have a lot of difficulty barring chords.
Well, it might be on a B minor, for instance, that you just actually use the first finger to hit that B note rather than a bar, because if you see the rest of the notes are pretty much covered. If you just don't play the top string, you don't play that high E string, then you're hitting most of the strings as it is anyway.
Yeah.
So you don't need a full bar necessarily.
And then, yeah, switching between those two, because
Yeah.
those are the first chorus for the first verse.
Yeah.
So, and then, yeah, I have a really weak pinky, so it makes it very awkward to sort of.
How will you strengthen that?
Again, repetition really, and also really weak left hand, which makes it really difficult to play the guitar. But for practice and repetition, I'm hoping to be able to sort of just play these chords.
Okay. What targets can you set yourself then to practice and improve?
Be able to interchange between B minor and B major chords, and then because it's quite the jump from the intro, because it goes from that to that, but if I just keep my index finger there and move the other fingers.
Or as a guide finger?
Yeah. Then I can. So it's just basically practicing being able to change between the verse, chorus, and intro, like that. Going from the verse to pre-chorus is quite easy because I've already barred it. I've already sort of have the index finger there on the A chord. All I need to do then is just, and then because it's easy.